Time for the next check for the mice. Oh yeah. Well, I got some lucky kitties. Hold on, I got some lucky kitties. Oh, what a prize! I got some redneck food today. Now, hold on. Now for the journey home. Kitty, kitty. There's some cat food. You guys, here's some fucking cat food. Yeah. I know you like it. Alright, I don't know if this truck is gonna start, but if it will, maybe it will. Somehow it's gonna somehow it's gonna start whatsoever. So it might have a chance of starting, and I know you guys are gonna like it. And two, and I know how that feels that the fucking mouse screwed my horn, they screwed my beeper, and they screwed all of that. And screwed it up in goddamn and fucking in LA. They screwed it up in Missouri. Now they want to fuck it up again. I put in two batteries. And a can of gas. I got 2 batteries and a can of gas, so we can go and get this Jeep. So we can get this GMC running. I'm pretty sure none of you guys on Twitter told me this. I'm pretty you guys tell me on Facebook that I have to order to drive this vehicle. But maybe you will. Soon that vehicle will be fucked up in my cat's. Soon that vehicle will be done in my cat's bellies. Soon that thing will be done in my cat's bellies. So we got to get ready to start this thing up. No, 120 is 48,000 miles. See if we can get this thing. Yeah. The thing went out again. Come on, start. Wait, no gas. No, I mean, there's no neutral in this thing. This is the same like last time. The thing won't start. That's why I'm trying to get the thing to start this stupid ass thing. Come on now. Yes. Oh, the thing is out again. Come on now, truck. Or maybe not. Come on. Jesus. Oh no. Come on now. Haunted radio. Nope, they're trying to fail on me. The thing is already screwed. I'm trying to get this thing to run. The stupid horn. The stupid horn on this thing is already fucked up. So I gotta start this up again. I'm trying. All right, so I'm gonna get it up again. If it don't work, then I'm gonna have to. If it don't start, then I'm gonna have to give up on this truck. So. Oh shit! Now we have electro fucking failure. Yeah. I'm gonna give up on this car. So this thing is not gonna run. So you know what? I'm gonna give up on this thing. Now we have electrical. Now we have electrical failure. Now we have electrical fucking failure. Yeah, thing is already dead. Oh my god. Thing is already dead. Come on. thing doesn't work anymore. So I gotta rebuild. So I have to start this up. Again. Ah, come on! Ah! Thing is already now we have the thing sounds worse than last time. Almost went. Fuck. Alright, one more time. If this thing don't even start, then I'm out. If this thing don't even start, then I'm gonna have to give up on it. So now we have electrical failure. Now we have electrical failure. For real. No, not the radio. Yep, we have electrical failure on this AM station. I mean, we have electrical failure on this radio. So you know what? I'm gonna give it up today. I'm gonna give it up. So you know what, guys? I hope this truck don't ever start again. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Guys, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube SanabiaKnight channel. Go subscribe to the guy. Please subscribe. Guys, please subscribe to the SanabiaLC channel. It's my fan channel that my YouTuber created. And subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys back on tomorrow. Guys, I'm returning GTA 5 on the... I'm returning it on the 11th, by the way, so... Matter of fact, I'll tell you. I'm actually returning on the 11th of August. There will be more GTA 5 videos, so... And guys, buy the merch down in the link of the description. And I'll see you guys back on tomorrow. Don't know which video to post, but I'll see you guys. But I'm gonna quit, guys. I'm gonna quit YouTube very soon. So, and just remember, we're not just hating all YouTubers. We're just not just hating any YouTubers. We're hating all YouTubers.